Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make Shimo an infinite craft. To start your journey, you'll need to combine some basic elements. First, take two water elements and merge them together to create a lake. Then, combine water with earth to form a plant. These two new elements are crucial building blocks for what comes next. Moving on to the next set of combinations, you'll want to create a storm. To do this, simply combine your wind element with the lake you just made. After that, take your lake and merge it with the plant to craft a lily. You're steadily building up more complex items. Now we're getting into some more advanced elements. First, combine your lake with the lily you crafted to produce a lotus. This beautiful flower is a key ingredient. Next, take the storm you made earlier and merge it with the lotus to form Kali. You're just one step away from your ultimate creation. For the grand finale, you're ready to unleash Shimo. Take your fire element and combine it with Kali. This final merge will successfully create Shimo in your inventory. Congratulations, you've mastered this intricate crafting path. Now, have fun experimenting with Shimo to discover even more amazing creations.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.